So me I call it from the other day, I nah get you. From me have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want him.
You think me a fool, you think me born big? Eh? Me say the day and day I find out say a man I have in this year. Right through the door you go.
So what you gonna do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up and lock him up because you're underage.
Yes, you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Get in that color.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, so you allow me name so far, what me I know?
Me don't ask you if you have going night town.
Yeah, me I go down in the town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there, walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want you buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
And the money I save up from school.
So what on there? So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure you plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of a place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand you just interested to find out if me are left the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. And I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. Because I'm tired to talk to you.
I'm not going nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad. So.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
Me simply ask you if you go somewhere come want you buy something for me. I come go. So, I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. You can't come. Alright? Love you too. Odien! Oh, you're there.
Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? I'm there, there I go.
Your mother don't have them young go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how to live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? I'm you, especially I just like you because I not hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Hey man, she come like a sister to me. Red channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken. Remember, if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off her line. Here. Alright, I'm going to be able to save it till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures. I mean, show me what I come get them. And I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in and bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel!
Who that? How are you?
I just see your mother up the road.
Just a she going to town, sir. I'm supposed to go to town, you know. I never know say you stop by.
So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes off the line. So where you go?
Girl, I tell you say that told me I go deal with something. And better which plans you have talk about? Everybody just watch myself. And me alone can't go do nothing.
Excuse me, I don't have food now so we can eat.
I'm going to come girls, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I see you too.
Boy. Yeah, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good man.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much clothes you have found there.
Billy, you have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if she don't stop by. But I'm not that fat today. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one can't see chick for me.
Friend don't stop by. I never know if she don't stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! Chanel! Chanel!
She'll call me.
Chanel!
Yeah!
Chanel!
Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there?
Man, take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should allow the lawyer. Can't get me and help them. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and go on.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun hot and talk about rain and go fall. Girl.
But they're nice, man.
Me have more around there, so look at juice here.
Thanks. I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Sun draws me up and little clothes and me I take up and want to sleep.
Did you say the sun not hot?
I told the time they look overcast. I want to sleep.
You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't see me at the house. So hurry now.
She want to go with Mwana, bola bola Mwana, if I'm at even moving now. happened now? What happened? Me see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom.
How we are talking about, Abby? After me not go do nothing, I'm not gonna turn me go.
You hear me a warn ya? The man they can't get nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me a warn you and a workless man that. Him workless.
Me I come go in here, cause you can't go and chat and believe what you want believe. Cause me I tell you some girl and turn, me not go do nothing.
She not there here. Look, if you mean come to another mother, cause she done broke up in nose and skirt. And my mother help her, cause she not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me, you know, so she not there. How for this?
Most of the boy them were sitting up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there.
No, you know. No, after you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, like it when me I tell her this. But me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something, man. You're gonna have for me and for your money by it.
Really, Jack? Me, you really, Jack? Money for fix on my TV. Even though no one I gonna get me 30,000 fix on my TV, but I want it back, you know. Guess that TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. That to you, me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long enough come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Cause you look a pitney. Me know say you's very prime. Come, hey. I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really I fight for? I can't fool she's not war over and mash up on my TV. What really I fight over? You talk to me. You want me to tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened?
It's no matter if you want to talk about this. You don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm gonna lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You plan to tell me what really happened?
When you know what going on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket to go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down, 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must fool she soon now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I fool she soon now war over. I mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? Fly high, fly low, not forget about that.
fights. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time.
Understand that, girl.
Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, not have to whisper.
Yeah, and out there can come. Alright.
Alright.
No, you know.
No, someone wanted.
How are that now?
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, breed?
Yeah.
After the same dirty boy me that one about?
Yes, you see one.
I tell about him, you know. I tell about him. Say your mother know about this?
My mother can know about it. Remember, say me young. My mother can't know about this.
So what you plan for do? Keep it or dash it away?
Me I keep it. I don't have no money for that straight pitney, so.
So you feel like you're ready for one pitney?
I'm not ready for that pitney because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm things.
Best advice me can give after dash it right now.
I don't have no money. You give me some money?
I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do.
Because I say my mother can't know about this. But now work, plus, girl, my mother can't.
So what you gonna do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage.
Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
And me know me did that one about the boy. Me tell you.
Babes, wagwan. But then, you don't miss me? Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see, I plan to travel. Yeah, so you mean we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know say my time of the month you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey, 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you little girl, man? I don't tell her the field.
Better girl. Mother like her. Hello? Hello? May I come to mother, yeah?
Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I know her, she plan to put you out, I can come stay with you.
what you did there? You know you're not me a call you. I'm not tell you say this left yard. Eh? Much time tell you left yard. Anyway, my friend there when me go down I was doing and I go collect little food there for me.
Should I know this, sir?
Me I want you link her because I have a piece of money I want she go collect for me. You see?
Alright.
Hello? How that you know? Alright.
Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, me go and wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you now. Nothing no. So I wait to pump on phone and as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well on as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see night. Mister, give me your phone, man, give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out how you're up to, you know, I must find out here. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl. Let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me won't even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for doing that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think say me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there, be something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me I have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me I do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something I check on phone. Something I check other mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the side wait for you all long. So here what? See paper here the information. We're going to call it the something. 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me? I tell you go on and come back.
Everyone.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it?
Girl, not for me if you tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this fella, I can't keep that secret to your fella. I say your belly I go show you know.
Mother don't say girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
You stand there. You look at me. Anyway, take it, I go find her.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to forget now?
I mean, I need to change my dress. I forgot to change back this one for my dress. Girl, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. You done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, what are you? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell them the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I'ma dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
Girl, I feel like some for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy for dash with the belly.
Girl, you're mad. I say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out.
But just to ask, anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask.
But girl, you know you could have never asked that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
I'm not gonna do this one.
Dean! Yo, Dean!
Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. Ah, John.
Yo, today you tell me, you know, my youth. No bother with that, you know. No bother with that, you know. Today you tell me, you know.
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? But yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? And right now on the live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me, because my girl for the youth something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until that happen, I tell you honestly, I have no money for me, dada.
Brother, I every day story this, you know. I today I want the money, you know. I today, you know. Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I not get my money still, you know.
Yeah,
my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, if I go on so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you say how my girl are forward in today, you see me, with some fun, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if I go on so dog, I meet the whole neighborhood know me a business dog. Watch nothing man, me I sort out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time me a friend me.
Yeah, I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you don't want me loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me you apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say, oh man, I come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as a loss. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know say if nothing probably you have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me everything prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get the thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm not going to write so I'm not going to
that's all I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when we come back, I don't want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. You sort out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me spit a gun, it never reach in 15 minutes, dog. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because look like you dig your own grave. Know yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. Yeah. Yeah, B. Oh boy, some food in the shop. You know some more. Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in a day? Yeah, man. Give me a link in a day, man. You see me? I want to chat to you about something. See if I can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright, then. You don't know it. Well, since I started saying about coming time the mango did in, you see me I say? Just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now ready to move now.
Come here like mommy, you know. Yeah, just a story the mango them say when mango got done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, we have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. Alright. If you even know me, I have a situation and I have a surgery for the
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Come on, talk to him, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, the same thing where Same thing what happened to me, man. Same thing.
Sis, you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleep last night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, good, John. Yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? No, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, I don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything are good. Alright. No watch that. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. What that?
I remember to pay your mother the money.
Yeah.
Now go down and change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. No, see you're breathing. I know your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you going to do? I know see if you collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you how to work. Now here what I got. I know see I get in some money, you know. So here you go do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach, you know. Just make sure you do what I tell you, you see me? I'm serious them way the man, you're dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that, man. Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Baby, come as fast as I could want.
You know, you know, say, there's a piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over iPhone. Yeah? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, there's a 50 grand I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what may I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm going to tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it, man. Me find out everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then Yeah, I'm over type of way, you see me?
But differently not be, you know, so me think of some sort out you want, you can call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What else for coming? I mean,
You're dead! You're dead!
yo! Yo, that's man, come across me. No. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me a fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me a fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just stash it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up at the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests you know. Yo, which column you talk about?
You know there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which column I only column me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going and say daddy. I mean I tell you, I not seen upon a while go chase
you
dog.
could mad.
I tell you say the end of the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with and we couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? I whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? I'm gonna make sure so I sort out. I sort out your thing because I'm that I want just more off my brain. So I have to just go easy, man. You see me? You don't have to bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother. You see me? Here we go. See there? My two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone my car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I look weird say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head because sometimes let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in a small card. No sir.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause here now, mark the words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say, put the money under the mattress. What about not come about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it in there. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to say,
Come like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel a come for another little corner just for me and the money and the mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I go take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and her blouse and skirt and all. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look girl, my money there. You don't know spend my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say a murder you know this. Hey girl. Hey girl, where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl me say my money there? You don't know spend my money there. Hey, me you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need no, because you're pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what you say you do? What me so? Breathe out, why you have to breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you know like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look who you can put on me, but nobody never knows
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? Oh, you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they don't know.
You see, straight to this. I don't know a thing, you see me? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. You see me? Big up my mother, big up my father, you see me? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, you see me? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. You see me? But easy yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akim, big up Akim, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister them same way, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, you see me?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. But now see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the one Savior and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. I'm gonna check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them gonna look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the stuff, you know about that.
And action. And action.
Hold on, pause it quick. Mister, give me your phone, man, give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know, I must find out what I'm going here, I must. You just wait.
She could be here.
Action.
Stop that shut.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Me tell her so she'll go on the veranda with me. Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going on. You know, start you have to run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time and check.
Don't say she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
I know say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I would want that.
Yeah, man, that, man.
Now I go on to crack up on. I'll call the police, no worry this. What one? Can't be such a early morning war. I want one man.
Elder, I saw you two you there were rob me, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man, they were good also. Drugs, yo, hide your son, man. Hide me, lock up, brother. Come here. Silent. Don't say it.
Man, you never say, you man run to Jamaica, brother. Yo, I see what's been on your foot, you make you man run on the field. Yo, drop off for me, bad man, you want me do? You want me general?
I go on soldiers. Pick up on yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
So, man, you look clean and fresh like a
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah, man. Yo, here what go on,
Oh, this is
you see one youth pass now, aqua shot.
No, sir, I don't see them on the pass, your brother. You know, sir, from the day I two are you first time on this pass, that's your brother. Swear from my life, brother. No man no pass here, unless them gone to the front. Because 3 way, you know, so you must come also.
So if you see me, that tell way.
How you mean, man? I like I sit in to make 2 man and look for one and not so clean. I must something wrong with boy doing, no, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They color like similar to sky blue.
Yeah, so as long as in the Negril beach, we will see him. This is Negril, nobody can hide. That one the robber now.
You know, say boy style of thing though.
Mm.
But you know, say
What's saying again?
aqua color shot, man, similar to sky blue.
Oh, yeah. Bring back my memory, no, brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man they could have reached all up Alfred and up on the beach there, you know. Without got to white guy, because this is Negril. The man touch the beach already.
Alright, here now, respect here.
Yes, brother. So your brother, like, come tell me, man, God, you can't look at him, man. And it's small.
Yeah, let's see me.
Yeah, man, he's a small, man.
I'm hold the boy today. Yo, we here, hold on for this. You see,
Yes,
anyway, we
brother.
find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and get it better.
I be like that someone right now in the beach.
Come on, G, because we not waste no time.
Boy, God, man. Respect, man.
You alright?
Sure, yeah.
You know somebody well wants to see you for true. Because me have a little woman who go down a dream the other day. And she had tell me, say she buy one phone for you. And she has the police come there. And you know, I question her about the phone, say a thief in phone. So me want to know, you're not thief in phone business?
Me auntie, you know my business staying straight already. You know say for a long time they not too like me. So then we say anything. But my business them straight up front. So I don't know nothing
Make sure you're not in a hit. Because Jean tell me and I feel your name call. And you know so they don't like you already. So they may hug your basket to carry water. Me talk to you all the while, you know. The last time remember me talk to you about your partner and you waste your money. This time make sure. I mean I tell
so
you
like
again.
believe them so auntie, I not like that. Not all like that. Right now, we just need it for just pray for me. Right now I run me have to run because I have a little business to take care of.
By the way, the last time we see a church, I went there and come christen you. No make that happen. You see this month here, we have family month. So I want you to come to church Sunday morning. Right? You come with me. And I make sure I call you and you come to church Sunday morning. Because we have a special speaker. It's a youth, young man like you coming to speak. I know you don't want to miss that. Alright?
I'm not going to promise you to come to church this Sunday or this Monday, but I'm going to make effort to try come. Because a long time, you have to tell me about church for ever since. I can't remember when last I come to church.
Make sure you put out the effort to come. No joke about it. Because you see your grandmother never raised you like that. She's a good Christian lady, but ever since she died and gone, it's like you're loose. And I don't know you as that little young man. You have so much more in you.
Me have to run, so me see you.
And I really believe in our son. But you know you have to be careful in a time like this. So alright then, you take care and me pray for you. Alright, remember me love you.
You love it too, Auntie,
Alright,
man.
take care.
You know me know how to survive already.
Yes, man. Alright.
Alright, later.
Yes.
Yeah, man, how to get this off phone right now? And then if you have no contact. See it.
How this a call me? Hello?
Yeah, you sell iPhone them?
Yeah, man, I sell an iPhone. Them.
You know, say me see one phone there, 45 grand. And you know, say yo, mother like fi buy. You still have it?
Yes, me have more in stock, you know. The location and Negril. I hear now. When you reach a Negril and you come and run about, you can't last. Just call me. And me come job. Of course me have it, man. Me have whole heap in a stock. You have the money?
Yeah, man, me have the money, man.
As long as you have the money. You sure say you have the money?
You come and ask me again if me have the money. Me have the money, father.
Location and Negril. You can't last. When you come and Negril and come on your roundabout. When you reach night town, me will come and check you.
Alright.
Hey baby, yo, should deal with the food for me, you know. Come home.
Every day this time when I dip on phone with you.
So call about.
Oh, go on.
Bad man, I'm tell you.
Oh, go on.
So your man spam phone you. I'm tell you.
Yo, bro G, may I ask some question, bro G?
How you always girl ever chat? What's glad? I know say something like this here coming in, bro.
Boy, I'm going now.
We are the panel room, tell us if you don't come panel road.
Mommy,
You lock up the place?
you know, man, I lock up the place, man. You ever see me in the place and now lock it. I show something important, man.
You see if you have some puppy show, we are do the kerchief on your head. How much time you tell us if you stop dressing? You just have to take up people's attitude and start dressing in a way.
Mommy, you don't know anything, mommy. You sound hot and you understand?
Anyway, what you want to talk to me about?
You remember you promised me something from last year for my birthday? Yeah, man, a little money, man. So, yeah, I hit me and ask if I could get it right.
So, what you want the money for do now?
Mommy, I know, say I want phone more and buy.
So, want to phone your auntie send come give you the other day?
Mommy, if you know me have mommy, you don't know say you know that 100. And I like some not grateful, you know. I'm grateful to Auntie Karen, you know. But if phone, another phone there. I mean, you don't know if anything, my young boy and my hot boy. Look on your phone. You know, 100, it not even the camera. I can't take too bad picture of it and something. I don't know, say me hot boy in the
Matter of
street.
fact, take off your sum off of your head. Take off your sum off your head and line up yourself good. A matter of fact, go on down. Because I don't know how nowadays you pick up this hype man thing. This young boy nowadays thing wanna have pants pan body, kerchief tie around head. Now you're gonna tell me say you want new hype phone. You not even know where you know what to say to you. Because right now you piss me off. You don't know how things expensive and every day you just want to get up and have this new thing, new this, and I take up this new style with these young people. Right now you're not even going good at school. Nothing not going for you. Your grades drop, everything for you drop. Because what? You want to live this life thing. You're not going to work out, you know. You're not going to work out because honestly, if you send you to school, you think it's easy. You know, easy. You see how hard me have your work. And your father not give me nothing. Your father not give me no money. I know you're going to come talk about you want a new phone. Huh? After your auntie send you a phone, you're going to talk about you want a new phone because camera not good and this and that. It's alright, you know, my youth. It makes sense you're going down, you know. It makes sense you're going down. You hear me, I tell you? It makes sense you're going down. But you're going to talk about you want a phone. Hype phone. Because you're a young boy, you're a hype boy on the street, but you want a new phone. A matter of fact, come see around so I'm going to use the bathroom and come back. Eh? You know how much you think, you know how much you want a phone? That talk about you want a new phone and you just get one phone the other day. We just say, son of a son, I want to tell you to go state and go use the bathroom.
Remember the phone I did have the other day? Yes, one big phone. Girl, me tell us that I go down one store go buy the phone. After me go in the store, I see the nice phone, you know, and me go book so to look boy to get the money. And me go buy the phone. Me had good one day. I take selfie, because you know me love take my selfie. Yeah, girl. And girl, me say me go snap, you know. Because the day in the night I did one party and me excited, you know, girl, and ready to go to the party, you know, with the brand new phone. Yeah. When me look, no police come on me yard. Me know me heart a beat out of my chest, girl. Me don't know where police are doing me yard.
Mommy, you can't get Ireland juice, please.
No, come go on now. And a matter of fact, don't let back the yard. No left the yard for the rest of the day. And I may you have nothing. Me say no left back the yard. You hear me, I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Love you too.
He might go make me know say a thief in phone the man selling me.
Lord Jesus Christ.
After the man collect so much money, you know, girl.
Me tell us if you buy the phone a day now.
But girl, what if I did the same thing?
Jesus Christ.
You say me Dave not go on no yard. Bling stunner.
Hello. Good evening. No, some of about 14 more the iPhone 15 them. Yeah. No, no, it's still one in stock. Okay.
Boy, son, hot tea, man. Yo, stun alive. Look like nobody in there, man. Yo! Stunner! Boy, nobody in there. Boy, hard I hear and still doing it. Kid dog have somebody in the house, man. Stand up!
Yo,
I pray, man. You see me a shout the other year, man.
There, man. Just put on some clothes to touch your road.
Go open up this now, man.
You up in, man. Just move the chair.
Oh, yo, me dey even see it, you know. That no start.
I meant to, I pray. If you have them, you want about 5. Because then I will see like an iPhone. Give me a so give me 5 minutes.
Yo, you see me call them, man. Yo, you not even know what go on. That's why I'll come up here say no. Yo, fly get up and come in now.
See all you I want general, you know. Forward, man, get up, man.
Yeah, how you say? How walk? I wear man set all the padlock. Yeah, me tell you what go on. You not go believe.
I never have some $1,000 in my box. Don't say I'm going to buy nothing. No. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. No, you wait until me go down me and him deal with. Seriously? One penny tea from me?
Boy, so I did, man. Like a day I go up on a quick move, man.
Yeah, man.
Boy, I say, oh, I have to check a car. Boy, I get to and deal it too sweet for you even tell me, you see me?
What kind of deal? Like car deal or what?
Boy, you don't say I want phone deal, cousin.
No, that ain't bad Samsung there.
No, man, iPhone, man. I don't say iPhone I anything now, man.
You don't even know what go on.
Yeah,
Yo,
tell me, man.
me see me call them, you know.
Yeah, general, man. That's how you go on.
Yo,
Man.
here what go on. Here what go on. You know, so last night, me on hands. I want spray and brain. I say, show out in here, so I look so, brother. Some people want to play some. I stay so. Now, you see me? I say, yo, how went up to? When I look, I see man show out. 2 cases of red stripe, I see your man comes up. Why them want to spot me? I say, I did they said we, I mean, I see nothing, I feel like off all the phone. That's why I see you call me first time, I feel like off all the phone. I look, I see a man, 2 Heineken, 2 red stripe, Dragon light beer. So I say, yo, where am I get them there? I look, I run the man running at some people place, brother. Watch your man come so. I make her run 10 trip. 2 in a hand, you know. Say, alright, go on, watch him, because I know say after I call him trip there. Him can't move, like, you know. Look, me see him cut. Go over there, brother. I'm come so. I pay empty buckle, man.
So the man was selling buckle, boy.
I don't film them.
Film them now?
I film them now.
So, yo, different from that story there. But you tell him say I get from there. Like, me call for you now.
I hear, you know. I just show a little thing that go on, you know. But me want make he reach an idea, yeah. Because right now, me have an iPhone. I want to sell.
Yeah, bro, what kind of iPhone?
Yeah, man, iPhone 14, man. Good deal, you know. You know how much me I get you for? 45,000, you know.
15, max or irregular 15?
Irregular 15, man.
45,000. That's like a some backdoor thing, yo.
But boy, me can't make this a deal too sweet. This a deal sweeter than Nestle.
You have to be careful now, man, because you know, that's how they chop for my sister on Instagram, you know what I'm doing.
Instagram, me I sell the iPhone 14. 14 Pro, yeah, brother.
Bro, if you top there and sit there, bro, General Star. So when I start from pencil and sharp, not to phone.
They talk to me.
They chat that phone still.
You say like a chop?
Yeah, I trust that now. So I wait with that idea with it on Instagram or...
Look on this no man, see thing no. See a legit thing.
Boy, look too good to be true. Well, not because you see that I mean say real no. Man can just put up a phone and say real. You see, I see man never sell one car. Axio for 750 and you know say Axio them go for like 1.3. You know that a rip-off that's the same way, you see it?
The car they are good, but that the phone they look on here and say Chris.
Yeah, but a man can just put up a phone and say, alright, wait.
But may I tell you, say you're a smart boy in the street, no boy can't do anything.
You think then still, can I work out for you if I get you any digit, you see it?
Yo, come come through for you today, you know.
Yeah, man, I believe it, man.
As we chop the piece of food, then I come call link you.
Alright, sir.
I know, say, I'm not too far from where me I do piece of business, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
When you say all the business, you know, man.
They'll come through, man. They'll come through.
Cool life, man. Believe me, man.
No, no go so, man. No go so, man. Me love
Brother,
you,
me
man.
brother.
They say old man catch.
Brother.
Listen,
Alright, watch out now. Since morning, my big woman look about caramel porridge to me. With bombard, Excelsior crackers on the side. Alright, now me I better my mama just come off her phone. And watch out now. I tell me I'm gonna deal with some bombard steam fish run down for me, brother. I'm telling my youth.
I know if you want up there, though.
Probably up there sleeping, even come out of bed yet.
Me I tell you that right now, like me I have to get one of the old one.
No dog, I know way you much, I know probably like a young one them, but I know every big woman stay same, you know.
Like what you say, I'm forward, you know, cousin. You can't bother, you know, man, I have to go shoot grass, because I can't make that the deal that go left me, isn't it?
For real. That's a good deal. I have to work really just careful and make sure I phone where you see them as well, you know. Old phone or phone where battery not good or you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, I talk to man, I don't know, so you street smart and something, man. Anyways,
yeah, man,
but you keep shut, is it?
Let's
You
go.
get that?
Yeah, man. Get the phone, you know.
You know, say them a young girl nowadays. Nah, buy you nothing. Nowadays, my big woman buy me one bombard. Order it from for bombard, Amazon, ship come to Jamaica, yeah. England, me I tell you about, brother. Me not talk about no knocks or no knockoff business. You see me?
See, pray, man.
Yeah, man, you have to get yourself a big woman to take care of me. No young girl not take care of you so bad, man.
You know, say true, dog. Because enough of them young girls can cook and even want grow on the stove with my father. God, no. So sometimes, I see all the big woman them. Yeah, dog, that's my right thing for true, my friend.
Which number this? You know the number, yeah? Hello? How this? Oh, that sound like a such man. Such man. You play that. Fear boy, man. You don't know me like that. Yo. You know, see me up on the ends door. Where you up on? Alright, do it down. Me there on my ground and waiting up, bro. Alright, my general.
$45,000, you know.
45,000. I have to be careful now, man, because you know, I saw them chat my sister on Instagram now.
Eh? Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah, man.
Go on.
You know, say me and the man go on a piece of work and we say we want 2 phones. You see me? And you know, say, boom, the phone then really. You see me? There, yeah, man, and we get them. That man, they have them. I know what man go do.
Where you going?
Go give woman the phone, my friend. And before, and I make money. You see me?
Foolishness that's
well, man, but right now, I'm going to lift up.
He never dismayed, so I can't say
right
nothing.
Right now, I'm going to lift up, my friend, because I'm even, you see me?
Yeah, Chano, you're right, man. I'm going to just want one off the slip and just want to wait for the G till he reach. You see me? That's the right.
You know, for my style, alright?
Alright, me there, man.
Alright.
There, man.
Alright.
Yeah, G.
Reach. I mean, man, I wonder if we are do so long round this up.
You know what I say? I run I back me the door.
Straight in our business. I not think I itch. Here what I go on now. I say, I come call link you. I have a nigga, tell him, say, up on Instagram.
So now sell him one iPhone 14 Pro. You don't know a place, you would have money upon him. You see me? So right now I hit one take off him. So here and now, you're going to town. I want if you go in town as the man on the ground. You don't know a place you can easily spot him out. A simple thing that it don't supposed to take him more than 5 minutes. You take off the food off him. You give a piece of food outside. Because I know a few things set, you see me? But I know say you have a youth.
Boy, so sweet, you know, my boy. Watch out now. I need to do want to go fast crime when I time them, so I go down in the town. I go there in the town, if you say so. Give me a link.
That's no problem. As you link me, I give you a link. You see you early, you know.
I'm a general.
Later on, you know.
Yeah, baby. I was in a real life, you know, my nice thing, some company. Come on, you know, so come on, man. You just have to deal with one of some kind of road forward. You know, babes, no, babes. I know foolishness, man. I know I'm changing my life around the time they already, you know, babes.
Yeah.
Yo, General. I wish part you there.
Place one against one ATM, you see me? 45,000, you know.
45,000. I have to be careful now, man, because I saw them chat my sister on Instagram now.
Me now want black shot, you see me? Yeah, easy to spot out, man. Me now want black shot. Oh, you're not reaching out on it.
Alright, here now. Give me 5 minutes. Soon come.
5 minutes. Alright, that maybe now wait for the phone, so yeah. Make sure you have your phone in, man. Alright, there we are that more here. Alright. Alright, so now say a word then. Alright, cool. Alright, what?
Come on, don't move, man. Come on, Bulby, man. Answer your phone, man.
Babes, give me a minute. Yeah, the general called me, the social thing. Yo, my G. I'm on. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, step on the corner. I'm going to roll out now.
In the ATM, now I'm black shot. That's how you feel there now.
Yeah, man.
I'm soon forward.
Yeah.
Yes, my general. I say black shirt in here now.
The retarded. Oh. Man, black shirt, Mr. Man. Yeah. Man, black shirt against the ATM.
So, this man I tell me say man in a black shirt at ATM. I don't see nobody in a black shirt in a ATM. Look.
this a G. I don't know what, I don't to understand what I'm going, you know. I don't even want to pick up your phone, you know. Yo, my G. You tell me some man out there in a black shirt. What's in a black shirt? You to your short. You short him back after you short me. Yeah, you out there man, I don't know black shirt me see you know. No brother. Yo style much I style you know. What you think what you do? What you say? Link him. Yo dog, I move off you know you. What you say what you do? Bring him forward. Go on, G. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, say, the boy run off, though. Come like a bolt, brother, to Bombay, man. Fast, see? Even though we're dog ton. How are you there? Yo, come give me a link now. Yeah, look for your boy, man. Because I like your boy have money to, you know, but, you know, me general. Because I want to run, so. Man, I run your friend. Alright. I still go on patrol till I forward now because we have to book him today, you know. We have to find him, you know. I want the money right now. My daughter down there hungry, you know. Oh. Good evening, man.
Good evening.
I wish part here, so which part am I there? Because I don't know a place in my new year.
Okay, you're in the grill. You're in the cross market in the grill.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, you make it thing obvious, make your man.
My youth.
You sure see over here, so you run, you come.
My youth, I have to over here, so your man come, bro. I can't stretching done so fast. I'm not when him done the stretch. I'm not so fast. I have to over here and come.
Brother, the same thing you tell me, you know, yeah, brother. So what you do, you know, like how you do know a place and sitting, which part you can go to get it clear right now. Alright, here I know, here you go on. You go so, and you go so. Because we want a piece of food there, and today we want it.
Why the man of war? Now I go on to clock up part. I will call the police, no worry. I go on. Can't be such an early morning war. I go on, man.
Elder, I saw you there want to rob me, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, man, they work with also. Drugs, yo, hide your son, man. Hide me, lock up, brother. Come here.
Man, run off left me, road. Come here, man, run off you.
No, silent. Don't say it.
Man, escape you. Bad man.
man run to Jamaica, brother.
Yo, I see past being a boot here, make him man
Yo,
run
me
on the
fancy a drop off for me, bad man. You want me do? Yo, me general.
I go on soldiers. Pick
Yeah,
up
man.
myself, man.
Yeah, man.
So man, they look clean and fresh like a
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah, man. Yo, here what go on now, me
No
general.
disrespect.
You see one youth pass now, aqua cola shot.
No, sir, me not see them on the pass, ya, brother. You know, sir, from the day I two of you first on the pass, ya, so, brother. Swear upon my life, brother. The man no pass, ya, unless them gone to the front. Cause 3 way, you know, so you know, must come also.
So if you see me, that tell way.
How you mean, man? I like I sitting in the like 2 man on the floor and I'm not so clean. I must something wrong with boy doing, no, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They color like similar to sky blue.
Yeah, so as long as in the Negril beach, ya, we will see him. This is Negril, nobody can hide. That one the robber now.
You know, say boy style of thing though.
Mm.
But you know, say
What's saying again?
Aqua color shot, man. Similar to sky blue.
Oh, yeah. Bring back my memory, no, brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man they could have reached all up Alfred and up on the beach there, you know. Without call two white girl, because this is nigga. The man touch the beach here, really.
Alright, here now. Respect, here.
Yes, brother. So your brother, like, come tell me, man, God. You can't live a thing, man. Any small.
Yeah, left some in
Yeah, man, live a small, man.
I'm going to hold the boy that today.
Yo, here, hold on for this. You see,
Yes,
anyhow, we
brother.
find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and give
Real,
it better.
man. Right just some man, right now Negril Beach.
Come on, G, cause we not waste no time.
Man, there's so much phone, so I can't get phone. I'll check my phone case if
Yo, Parry. Yo, come on, you brother, then guy, no. Yeah, man, you know, some canny boy, they don't take off a thing off of them. So, brother, it's like when we can't, look at you,
Man, I see you,
I respect, man, respect. Yo, go some MC card.
So we can get taxi.
What you mean, man? You can get a taxi right now at home.
Alright, bless him.
Man, I see you long life.
A dream. Man.
Oh, Jesus. What a dream.
Yes, you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Get him a call him back. Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, so we all out my name so far, what me I know?
Me don't ask if you have going night town.
Yeah, me I go down in the town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there, walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I save up from school.
So hold on there. So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure you plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm come back off the road and you know something. And I'm come see nobody in my yard and you know something. Because I'm tired
Mama,
to
me
talk
not
to
go
you.
nowhere. Me just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss so.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up and cuss like my mad so.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
Me simply ask you if you go somewhere come want you buy something for me. I come go. you, so me I go tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. You can't come. Alright? Love you too.
Odien! 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 Oh, you're there!
Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here there. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to cut the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you don't left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in here today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy there go.
Your mother don't have them young go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how to live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially, I just like you because I not hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Hey man, she come like a sister to me. Red Channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken, remember if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off the line. Here. Alright, I want to be able to say it till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures, show me how I come get them. And I bother with the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in the bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel!
Who that? How are you?
I just see your mother up the road.
Just a short girl night town, sir. I'm supposed to go night town, you know. I never know say you have to stop by.
So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes them off the line. So where you go?
Girl, I tell you that I told me I go deal with something. And brother, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just so watch me so. And me alone can't go do nothing.
Excuse me, and I don't food now, so we can eat.
I'm cool, girls, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I see you too.
Yeah, I said, boy. Yeah, I said, oh, God, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good, man.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much coffee and fine there.
You have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if she should stop by. But I'm not that fat today. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see you and can't see you for me.
Friend, I stop by. I never know if she should stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! Chanel! Chanel!
She shall call me.
Chanel!
Yeah!
Chanel!
Yeah! We are come so for somebody there.
But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. But should allow the lawyer to go and get me and help him. Should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and guani.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun hot and talk about rain and go fall.
But they're nice, man.
Hey, me have more on there now, so look at juice here.
I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Look at sun draws me up and little clothes and me have to take up and want to sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
And to the time they look overcast. I want to sleep.
Be me the out of the front. You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she not sit at the house. So hurry up.
Dirty boy, she want to go with Mwana, bola bola, mwana, if I'm at even move it. I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom.
How are you talking about, Abby? After I go do nothing, I'm going to town, I go.
You hear me? I want ya. The man that can't get nothing. Remember say you're underage than a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want ya. And a workless man that. Him workless.
Me I come go in here because you can't go and shut and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl in town. I'm not going to do nothing.
She's not there here. Look, if you hear me, go and see another mother. Because she done broke up in blouse and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this?
Most of the boy them were listening up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there.
No, you know. No, if you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, I like it when me I tell her this. But me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something, man. You're going to have me and for your money by it.
Me a real job.
I want one in there, so. Tell her I want one. money for fix up my TV. Even I don't want to get my 30,000 for fix up my TV, but I want it back, you know. Because the TV around there, so I might look fun and enjoyment. That to hear me, I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight, man. One could have worked, but I long now come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war, boy, you know. Because you look a pitney. I know say he's very prime. Come, hey, I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't afford she's not war over and mash up on my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened?
It's no matter want to talk about this. But that hurt me right now, you know. I'm gonna lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You have no plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what one, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I saw the ticket to go fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must push this now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I foolish this now war over. I mash up my TV, my enjoyment. You know, when I fly around and forget about that.
Hello?
Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're a friend from a long time.
Understand that, girl.
Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, don't have to whisper.
Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. Nothing, no.
No, something wanted.
How are that now?
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, breed?
Yeah.
After the same dirty boy me that one about?
Yes, you see one.
I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this?
My mother can know about it. Remember, say me young. My mother can't know about this.
So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away?
Me I keep it. I don't have no money for that straight pitney, so.
So you feel like you're ready for one pitney?
I'm not ready for that pitney because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm things.
The best advice I can give you after dash it right now.
I don't have the money. You give me some money?
I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do.
Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work. Plus, girl, my mother can't.
So what you gonna do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up and lock him up because you're underage.
Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
And I know me did that one about the boy. I tell you.
babes, wagwan. But then, you don't miss me. Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though, I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you gonna do, I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, say I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to, you have to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even knows this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you little girl, man? I'm not telling her the yard.
May I come to mother, you know? Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you, I'm not trying to say this left yard. Eh? Much time to tell her left yard. Anyway, my friend there when I go down I was streaming and I collect a little food for me.
Should I know this, sir?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money more she go collect for me, you see?
Alright.
Hello? How that they know? Alright.
Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Ain't nothing, no. So I wait look on my phone and I as me I come. How I'm gonna text up on phone. Well on as a matter of fact, give me the phone and make me see night. Mister, give me your phone, man, give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See the money that do not own.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know, I must find out you hear me. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl, let me tell you this. He might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me would even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for do in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think say me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there do something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me I have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want him. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something you check on the phone. Something you check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper the information. We're going to call it the something. 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me I tell you go on and come back.
Have you one? No.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it?
Girl, not me if you tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this for long. I can't keep that secret to her for long. I say your belly and go show her, you know.
Mother don't say girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
Just stand there. You're lucky on me. Anyway, take it to I go find her.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I need have to change my dress. I have to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. You done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, ready? Good? Alright, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell them the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more penny for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
really feel like something for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy for that show the belly.
Girl, you're mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out.
But just that ask. Anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me that ask.
But girl, you know you could have never asked that.
Anyways, that is a stupid question.
I'm not gonna do this one.
Dean! Yo, Dean!
Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. Ah, John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, you know. No bother with that, you know. Today you tell me, you know.
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? Well, yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? Alright now, now on a live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me? Because my girl for deal with something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? Go up until the top, I tell you, honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, you know. I to them want the money, you know. I today, you know. Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I get my money still, you know. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you, say, oh, my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if you go on so dog, I make the whole me about more me a business dog. Watch nothing man, I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time you're a friend.
Yeah, I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you know I'm loud up and you don't want people hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you will have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say, oh man, I come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know, say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know, say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm going to
Today
right, so I'm not going to
that's how I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go on. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I don't want no talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. We sort out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in a 15 minutes, dad. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because look like you dig your own grave. Now worry yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. But... yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy, some food in the bar. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me a link in idea? Yeah, man, give me a link in idea, man, isn't it? I want to chat to you about something. See if we can reach him a foot. Yeah, man. Alright then, you don't know what you mean. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in, you see me I say? I just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now ready to move now.
Come in like mommy, you know. It's a story the mango them say when mango done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man, but no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, we have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. Alright. If you even know me, I have a situation and I have a surgery for the
Who is this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, same thing happened to mom, man. Same thing.
Is you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness is.
Never sleep last night.
A joke you make sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, you know. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything is good. Alright. No watch that. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make a do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. What the?
remember to pay your mother the money.
Yeah.
Now go down, go change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. I know if you have to collect in some funds. You don't worry about all this man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you what to work. Now here what I got. I know if you get in some money, you know. So here I go do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, I'm serious, them way the man you got dead.
Alright. I'm gonna get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man? Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Baby, come as fast as I could want.
You know, say, that piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over my phone. Eh? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, it's a 50 grand, I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what may I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out with this. Everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know, so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then yeah, I'm over type of way, you see me?
But differently not be, you know, so I think of some sort out you want, you can call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What the fuck coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come cross me. Bro. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, some left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me, I fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me, I fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just touch it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up on the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you don't see a thing, brother.
But that sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests, you know. Yo, which color you talk about?
You
I
know
let me ask you.
There's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me. I only color me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon a wild ghost chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you say the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with it and I couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't even explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? And I make sure I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because I want stress more off from my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You know, if you bother with the one bag of loud nice, brother, and something, brother, you see me? Here we go. See there? The two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone them car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say you put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head go sometime let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. No sir. No women the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause you know, mark the words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you know there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say you put the money under the mattress. What nobody not come about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. You know say I gotta ask Chanel. You say I gotta ask Chanel. I'm gonna say
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner for me the money under the mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I go take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and I'll blouse and skirt and all. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look at girl, my money there. You don't know from my money. Where you say you don't do it? You better say I'm murder you know this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl say my money there? You don't know from my money there. What do you mean you don't know about my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need. No, let me catch you pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what you say you do? What me so? Breathe out, you have to breathe. Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. You can't put on me, but nobody knows
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And more to know for like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? What you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see, it's still this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Easy yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister, them same way. Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, you know?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the one Savior and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them gonna look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the stuff, you know about that.
And action. And action.
Well, pause the record. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
Action.
Stop that shot.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Me tell her so she'll go on the veranda with me. Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her for. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going on. You know, that you must run. It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't see she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
You know, say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So, I don't want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. Actually, if you check into AVTV, you don't know over here, so there. Yeah, man, in the east, yeah, more you see what I go on, because I'm put in the work, and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound, you don't know, your boy, board grand. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, down the same.
Don't sir.
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But no more.
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video, but can talk to you. So yes, people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see, will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for you follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself. Manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.